Hey guys, this is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a radio in your Jeep Wrangler, your 2012 Wrangler, in under 8 minutes. Stay tuned.
Make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see how to program the factory codes into the radio. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and smash that like button.
Go ahead. First thing you do is going to lift out the center console.
It's a 7 mil.
7 mil. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pop out the window switch. Alright. It's going to have a red clip on the back side you're going to have to move. Where's that red clip at? Right there, good job. You're going to have another, I guess, 7 mil?
Yep.
Alright, then we're going to pull down on this right here, take that hose from the top, bottom. Alright, then you're going to have a 7 mil on each side of the steering column. We're going to lower the steering column down. Now we'll pull out around it and this comes out. Alright. That comes out. 7 mils, I'm guessing.
Yep.
All right, and there's going to be 4 of them for the factory radio. Going to unplug a harness and an antenna.
Yep.
Yeah.
There's a white tab right there you gotta press in.
Okay. You're going to reverse procedure, put the antenna on, single clip in the back of the radio. Make sure all the cables are out of the way and they'll slide back just easily. You're going to go back with your 4 7 mils. Go back with your dash cover. Same thing, reverse procedure. Line all your clips up when you go to put it in so you don't break nothing. Snaps back in place.
Nice and tight.
You're gonna go back with your 4 7 mils, one on each side of the column. One's going here, one's going here. Gonna go back with the one in the center. One on top. Reinstall the cover for the top. Reinstall your window switch. Make sure you push that red clip back. It's a safety clip so it doesn't come apart while you're driving. Snaps back in place. Lower cover goes on.
Yes.
You line 2 brackets up, it pivots upward, snaps back in, and that's how you install a radio in under 7 minutes.
Absolutely.
Good job. Alright guys, when installing your radio in your 2012 Jeep, one of the things you got to remember is you're going to need a code, a security code for that radio. So before you install it, you need to get the serial number off the radio you're installing and then the VIN number to the vehicle it's going in. And just call your dealer and tell them that you're putting a radio in it and they will give you the security code. And that's all there is to it. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.